Hello, good dear friends. In today's video, we are going to see how to fix voice typing not working in Oppo. So let's start. First, let's see if you are facing this similar problem and this pop-up message. So don't worry. In today's video, we are going to solve it. So first, you need to go to your settings, then scroll down and go to apps. Then tap on apps management. Then scroll down and here you will see Gboard. Go to it, then go to permissions. Now here you will see microphone option. Tap on it and enable allow only while using the app. Select this option and close this window. Now let's check if our mic is now working. Hello, can you hear me? Now, as you can see, our mic is working absolutely fine. I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit a like and I will meet you in next video.